Hello everybody. Welcome in exclusive news channel. Blimp crashes near U.S. Open after catching fire.
Literally every time we do a game. Stealing threw up in 2 outs, stuff like that. And that is, to me, is where the difference is. That Broxton is an enticing player. Brinson is a
Oh, I don't think there are people anywhere.
All the tanks exploding.
A blimp caught fire and crashed to the ground near the 117th U.S. Open golf tournament, injuring the pilot and causing an explosion on the ground. AirSign, an advertising firm, was operating the blimp. Patrick Walsh, the company's CEO, tells CBS News the cause of the fire is still under investigation. Walsh says the pilot was the only person on board the blimp. The pilot suffered serious burns in the crash, CBS affiliate WDJT-TV reports. There were no other injuries on the ground. Jeff Alstadter, a spokesman for the U.S. Golf Association (USGA), said in a statement that the blimp crashed around 11:15 a.m. local time in an open field a half-mile from the golf course. He stated the blimp was not affiliated with the USGA or the tournament. Aerial footage captured by Fox Sports 1 shows the moment the flaming blimp exploded. PenFed Credit Union was the blimp sponsor for the tournament, which got underway Thursday. The National Transportation Safety Board, NTSB, and Federal Aviation Administration, FAA, are in contact with the sheriff's office and assisting with the investigation into the cause of the crash. Watch this explosion, oh my god.